Assalamu alaikum everyone. So right now I'm in the office of the company and doing my work. As you can see, I'm sitting on my laptop. No. I'm not sitting on my laptop. I'm sitting on the chair, but accomplishing my work. Here you can see. So first of all, let's complete this work. After that, man, we will do something else. I was working in my laptop. Suddenly a person come to me and informed me that the grinder has broken down. So you can see I have a grinder in my hand. Now I'm gonna get repaired this grinder on the service center, and the service center is quite far away from the company. First of all, I'll walk for 1 kilometer to the auto stand. After that, I'll take auto rickshaw, then I'll go to the market. I'm still walking and the highway road is still far. There is highway road. It's not too far, but I'm gonna reach quickly. I have camped on the auto stand. You know, this is not particular auto stand. You can get auto rickshaw from anywhere. So finally I catch the auto rickshaw. As you can see, now I'm in auto rickshaw, and you know my destination isn't too far. I reach on my destination within 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah. Hello, hi. You know what I'm speaking? This auto driver is very friendly. He's smiling, as you can see. Wow, today's weather is so beautiful. I have get off from auto rickshaw. Now I'm finding the shop of grinder. The grinder shop is there. You can see this is the shop of grinder. Now I'm gonna get serviced my grinder here. My grinder has repaired. Now I'm going back to my destination. Let's go. And you know, when I speak English, I got many people reaction in the public. That reaction is literally amazing. I will go later on my destination. Before that, I want to drink something such as coconut water. So let's go on the coconut water shop and drink water. Let's go. Some random people stare at me when I speak English, but I'm not so fluent in this language. But yeah, I can speak little bit. So I'm here on the fruit center and purchasing a coconut water for myself. He was giving me bad coconut, but as I said, don't give me that. So he's giving me another one. My coconut water is ready. Bismillah. Always perfect. Hey, I'm back. Now I'm going towards the company. My company is over there. That is not my father's company. I'm doing work there, but I'll buy a company in the future. Just joking, man. Don't take it seriously. The time is 1 o'clock in the evening. Oh, sorry, in the afternoon. So right now I'm gonna have my lunch. It's time for having lunch. I'm so hungry, man. Why don't you understand me? Oh no, people still work in the time of lunch. I think they are not hungry. I have arrived on my room. As you can see, this is the key of my lock. Now I'm gonna unlock the door. My uncle is coming very lately. Why do you come late always? The door is open. One day I'm gonna explore and I'm gonna room tour. One day I'll show you everything what is in my room. So take off the shoes. My uncle is washing his hands, but I'm not still washing my hands. I have 2 or 3 bananas in my bag. Here you go. Now I'm gonna offer 2 bananas to my uncle. Okay. I offered a banana to my uncle. Bismillah. Oh, woohoo! Very nice taste. Is it okay now? Okay. I'm looking cool, right? Alright, okay. My lunch is over. Now I'm going to the work. And you know, someone making really disgusting noise in my background. Baby, I'm back on the work again. You can see. I'm back. Now I'm gonna place my bag here on this table. You know this table is very luxury. Yes, you can see the condition of this table. Actually, this is not table. This is a box. Yes, this is a box. I placed my bag over here. Now no one gonna touch to my bag. My bag is very expensive. So let's see what is happening outside. Oh, you can see my team members are working over there, but I'm not going to them. I don't want to disturb them. It's my work, it's my pleasure. I'll not go there. We usually pee here because there is no washroom in this company. This company is literally so bad. It's my own experience. Guys, this is enough for today. I'm gonna end my blog here. Please do subscribe and like. Don't like, but do subscribe. Okay? Bye.